happening?
Hot.
Why are you crying?
Ooh, that was really hot.
Oh, hot. Oh, I'm gonna end up wearing this. Nice. Oh boy. Well, it wasn't so bad, I guess. Expected it to bleed more than that. Cool. Nailed it. Alright, quick update on Midnight Maroon. We are prepping for removing the engine tomorrow. That happens tomorrow. That'll be the next video, but this video, it's all about prepping in order to get that engine out of there as quickly and as efficiently as possible. The coolant that came out of it looks okay. It's not fantastic, but I actually expected that to look much worse. But let's get this bad boy uncovered and get to work on removing the radiator support. exploding nuts. That washer just fell apart. It's from the battery tray. That's pretty awesome. Gosh, that bolt's longer than it needs to be by about 4 inches. Jeez. Complete and utter overkill. What? What's happening?
It's hot.
Why are you crying?
Ooh, that was really hot.
Oh, hot. Because I was like, what is going on over here?
Thought I could just pull it out really quick like a band-aid.
Not that any of this is scary. And then drop all those bolts down in here. This whole thing. Huh. That's completely pinched off. That's not even flowing any fluid anyway. It's like not having power steering at all. I guess it lets a little bit of flow through. That's tasty. Alright. Yummy! So it started to rain, and it started to rain pretty dang hard, and now there's just zero evidence. But I spent that, I don't know, 5 minutes packing up my tools. I mean, the clouds look a little ominous and dark over there. Well, I made really good progress. I'll try to give you a little bit of an update, even though the thing's covered. There's more rain coming. In fact, it's starting to rain again right this second. There's the hood. Got the left inner fender wall out. I don't know. We have to disassemble the entire front clip because the radiator support, the mounts that go down through the frame, are completely seized up. There's rust all the way through that. So we ground the nut off of the bottom. You watch Tavish do that. I'm hoping that by morning we'll be able to just, you know, those things will pop out. But I'm gonna be able to take care of all the rust, get everything painted. Yeah, see, it's starting to rain pretty good now. Getting wet, but it's all right, I need it. I still need to hide the hood. I don't want somebody coming along in the night and helping themselves to some parts. I've got the bumper in the back. I'm gonna put all that stuff in the garage somewhere. But man, if only I had a shop. Yeah, that's coming in a future video. It'll be back there. Lots and lots and lots of stuff to do. I've still got to get Wallace the 66 off of my buddy's property by the end of October. So I have a couple more videos on that. I know you guys are anxious to see this. But honestly, we're not in a huge hurry to get this project done, other than I want to get it torn down so that we can get parts off to machine shops and stuff like that, get it back so that we can start the assembly before winter sets in hardcore. But we're excited to be back on the project, that's for dang sure. I need to still do welding on the floor pans in there. The last video you guys saw on this, I was fitting the driver's side, and that was when I had when I had a fever and stuff. Well, you know the thing. But I'm back, full strength, full speed, and we're gonna get busy. I am motivated to make this happen. This video is all about getting the front end completely ripped apart. Well, it's really raining now, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I'm gonna use this time while it's raining to edit video for you guys, get this stuff posted, get some content out for you. This is Troy with DIY Home and Auto. Please like, share, subscribe, do all the things. Really appreciate that. It helps my channel out a lot. Also, check the links down below. There's some Amazon affiliate links, that sort of thing. You're probably gonna buy stuff on Amazon anyway. It's a super easy way to help support me and my channel. These videos are expensive. We're just about to really get into the expensive stuff, so it's an easy way to support the channel and help me out. I really appreciate that. I don't like begging for money. I've debated on putting out a Patreon, that sort of thing. Other people do it. I just don't know that I can provide anything extra besides what I'm already doing. There's just not enough time in the day for me to do all that. Anyway, please support the channel by using the links to Amazon. That's the easiest way. If you feel like it, you can buy a t-shirt. I get quite a bit of profit from that as well, and that I put every penny of that right back into these builds. I appreciate all the support, all the kind words, the likes, all of that. Really, really appreciate it. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. I never in my wildest dreams thought that my channel would be approaching the 15,000 mark. I have goals for that to continue to grow and bring you guys along on that journey with me. So hang along, follow along, or just wait and you'll get notified if you click the little bell thing. There you go, how about that? Anyway, this is Troy, DIY Home and Auto. I'll see you guys in the next video.